Hi, I'm going to show you how I correctly install my new smart box. Now, for the system to work properly and for me to be compliant with the terms of my insurance, I need to fit the smart box as soon as possible and only to the front windscreen of my car. Firstly, I need to decide where on the windscreen I want to fit it. Now, I can fit it anywhere on the windscreen that is not swept by the windscreen wipers, as that would be a distraction and would mean my car would fail an MOT. So the corners are best, but I have to remember that I'll need to be able to charge it. So the top left corner on the passenger side is the best place as it's not in my field of view and I'll easily be able to get the charger in and out. I now need to prepare my windscreen with the special wipe included with my smart box. I need to do this even if my windscreen is perfectly clean. I now need to let the solution evaporate so that the windscreen is dry, and if it's cold outside, then run the car for a little while, let the windscreen warm up, and do not attempt to fit the smart box if the windscreen is covered in condensation. Now, making sure that the device is the right way up, simply remove the white backing strip, place it on the windscreen, and press and hold it for 5 seconds. All I need to do now is simply apply power using the USB lead and top up its charge. The red light on the box will confirm this. Thanks for listening and safe driving.